Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Pikachu snowman. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to make an oval eye right here, and I'm going to have this kind of pointed up and kind of in a little bit. Kind of like a little egg shape. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm just going to draw another one of those, just like this. Then I'm going to put two circles inside of here on each one. And then I'm just going to color in the inside. Next, I want to make the nose. So to draw the nose, I'm going to put it right between the eyes, and I'm just going to make a very tiny triangle that's colored in. And I want the triangle pointing down. Now for the mouth. So the mouth is really easy. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and up. And then I'm going to go back down and then back up like this, kind of like a stretched out W. Next, starting right here by the eye, you want to make a line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to come across here, and then it's just going to curve back up to here, kind of like a little fishbowl shape. Then, right here on top, I'm going to make the top of the head. So you just want to make a little curved line like this, but you want to leave space here and here for the ears. Then, to make the ears, I'm going to start here, and you just want to draw a line that curves up, comes to a point, and then it's going to curve back down like this. So then same thing here, just kind of curve it up to a point, and then curve it back down like this. Then, on each side of the cheeks, you want to draw a circle for his little cheeks. So just put a nice circle on each side that is just right underneath the eyes. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down on each side. And then I'm going to connect it with a little curved line like this, and that's going to start the scarf. Then right underneath here, I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape like this. So it's going to go down, over, and then come back up. And that's going to be the little tail of the scarf. And then I'm just going to make some little zigzag lines or little points on the end of it. Then you can put some details on your scarf. I'm just going to make some little wavy lines that just kind of go right across here. And I'm just going to put them all along here. And then when I start them on this side, I'm just going to make them go straight across instead of up and down. Now we want to make the body. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And it's just going to go across, and then it's going to curve right back up here to this side of the scarf. Then right here, I'm just going to add two circles for some buttons. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Pikachu snowman. You could add lots of things like a little hat on here. You could put a tail. There's tons of stuff you can do. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.